When it comes to immersive experiences, nothing beats the feeling of stepping into a whole new world with a powerful VR headset. But with so many headsets on the market, each claiming to be the best, how do you know which one actually delivers top-tier performance without wasting your money? Choosing the right VR headset can be overwhelming. Between compatibility issues, display quality, tracking accuracy, and whether you're into PC gaming, console exclusives, or standalone systems, it's easy to feel lost. That's why we put in the work for you. We've researched and analyzed the most talked about headsets, compared specs, tested user experience, and narrowed it down to the top 5 VR headsets that offer the best in performance, value, and future-proof features. If you're looking for the best VR headset, this list is where your search ends. Also, you can check pricing for any of these products in the description below. Now let's get started. Number 5. PICO 4 Ultra. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the PICO 4 Ultra 3D wireless VR glasses, a surprisingly powerful all-in-one headset that's flying under the radar for many VR enthusiasts. Designed with 6 degrees of freedom and a vivid 4K display, this headset delivers crisp visuals and natural motion tracking without needing any base stations or wires. With 256 gigabytes of onboard storage, the PICO 4 is ideal for those who want a standalone experience but don't want to sacrifice performance. It's compatible with Steam VR through streaming, which means you can play PC VR games wirelessly via Wi-Fi or a cable connection. That flexibility alone makes it a favorite among hybrid gamers. Its lightweight design and balanced ergonomics make long sessions surprisingly comfortable. And while its ecosystem isn't as expansive as Meta or Valve, it's steadily growing and offers excellent value for casual gamers, fitness apps, and media consumption. If you're looking for a powerful wireless VR solution without breaking the bank, the PICO 4 is definitely worth a look. Number 4. HP Reverb G2 V2. If you're looking for stunning visual clarity and serious comfort, the HP Reverb G2 V2 is your go-to PC VR headset. Originally released in 2022 but still going strong, this headset continues to compete thanks to its 2K per eye resolution, refined design, and collaboration with both Valve and Microsoft. One of the standout features of the G2 is its incredible display sharpness, making it perfect for sim racing, flight simulation, or any VR experience where visual detail really matters. Unlike other headsets that might struggle with screen door effects or blurring at the edges, the G2's 2160 by 2160 resolution per eye gives you a clear edge, especially in cockpit-heavy or seated experiences. The V2 version fixed some of the original model's biggest drawbacks. It now includes improved tracking for better motion detection, a more comfortable face gasket for longer sessions, and enhanced controller design that feels a lot more intuitive in hand. However, it's not without its limitations. The inside-out tracking still doesn't match up to Lighthouse-based systems like the Valve Index, and you'll need a fairly powerful PC to really take advantage of its visuals. There's no wireless option either, so it's a tethered experience. Still, for simulation enthusiasts or anyone prioritizing visual fidelity, the HP Reverb G2 remains a rock-solid choice that punches above its price tag. Number 3. Valve Index VR Full Kit. Coming in at number 3 is the Valve Index VR Full Kit, a premium PC VR experience that remains unmatched in tracking precision and immersion, even years after its release. Designed by Valve, the creators of Steam and Half-Life, this headset has built a legacy on its high refresh rate, precise finger tracking controllers, and superior base station tracking system. Let's talk specs. The Valve Index offers a refresh rate of up to 144 Hz, giving you one of the smoothest VR experiences available today. Combined with a wide 130-degree field of view, motion feels incredibly lifelike and immersive. It's one of the few headsets that makes you forget you're in a game until you take it off. The Index controllers, often referred to as knuckles, allow for individual finger tracking and natural gestures. Whether you're picking up objects, throwing virtual grenades, or interacting with complex environments, this kind of hand fidelity makes VR worlds feel tangible. The setup involves external base stations, which can be a bit of a hassle if you're limited on space, but they also provide industry-leading tracking accuracy. The comfort is top tier with adjustable straps, face padding, and an intuitive design that supports long sessions with ease. Downsides? It's expensive, requires a wired connection, and is heavily reliant on Steam VR. But if you're a hardcore gamer looking for top-tier quality and precision, the Valve Index is still a gold standard. Number 2, PlayStation VR 2. At number 2, we have the PlayStation VR 2, bundled with the breathtaking Horizon Call of the Mountain. Built exclusively for the PlayStation 5, this headset takes console VR to the next level with 4K HDR OLED displays, eye tracking, adaptive triggers, and haptic feedback built directly into the Sense controllers. This isn't just a minor upgrade from the original PSVR. This is a full-blown generational leap. The visuals are sharper, the field of view is wider, and the motion tracking is now inside out, meaning no external camera is needed. Setup is fast and seamless. Just plug into your PS5 and you're good to go. The standout feature? Immersion. Between the headset vibrations, eye tracking for foveated rendering, and adaptive controller feedback, PSVR 2 delivers a sensory experience that few other headsets can match. Of course, the main drawback is platform limitation. If you don't own a PS5, this headset isn't for you, but for console gamers looking to experience VR at its finest, the PSVR 2 is easily one of the most polished and cinematic options available this year. Number 1, MetaQuest 3. Taking the top spot on our list is the MetaQuest 3, a true next-gen mixed reality headset that redefines what all-in-one VR can be. Lightweight, wireless, powerful, and incredibly versatile, the Quest 3 brings Meta's experience in the VR space to a whole new level this year. Let's start with performance. The MetaQuest 3 is powered by a next-gen Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2 processor, delivering smoother performance, faster load times, and drastically improved visuals. The 4K Plus Infinite display offers ultra-crisp resolution with vibrant colors and deep blacks, making both gaming and productivity feel immersive and seamless. But what really sets it apart is its mixed reality capability. Using full-color pass-through cameras, the Quest 3 blends your physical environment with virtual elements. Imagine playing a tabletop game on your real coffee table or working out with virtual weights in your actual living room. It's AR and VR together like never before. It's completely wireless, offers a huge library of Metastore apps and games, and also supports PC VR via AirLink or cable, giving you the best of both standalone and high-end PC VR. The controllers are improved too, with True Touch haptics for realistic feedback, while hand tracking is now more responsive and accurate than ever. Its compact, lightweight build makes it perfect for travel or everyday use, and with its affordability compared to more premium setups, the MetaQuest 3 is not just the best VR headset, it's the most well-rounded, accessible, and forward-thinking option on the market today. In wrapping up our journey through the top 5 VR headsets, it's clear that there's a perfect headset out there for every type of user. Whether you're a casual gamer looking for wireless convenience with the PICO 4, a console fan wanting AAA immersion with the PSVR 2, or a sim enthusiast who needs that ultra-crisp display with the HP Reverb G2, there's something tailored to your needs. The Valve Index continues to dominate the high-end scene with unbeatable tracking and hand presence, perfect for hardcore VR gamers who want the best performance. But leading the charge this year is the MetaQuest 3, combining cutting-edge mixed reality features, wireless flexibility, and a powerful ecosystem into one revolutionary package. This list is a reflection of where VR stands this year, more immersive, more versatile, and more accessible than ever. Remember, you can find links to all these products in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed reviews and top tech picks. Thanks for watching.